I flew 5 of my best students to a random mansion in Miami to trade side by side with me for 5 days. The only problem is these 5 students don't have a big trading account, and that's why I partnered with Vanquish so that they can see how much money they can really make with a big trading account. Now meet the founders of Vanquish, Trevor and AC. Can we get an introduction of what Vanquish really does for traders?
Yes. We started Vanquish Trader to give retail traders the opportunity to trade account sizes without having to risk enough capital to use pattern day trading rules. With simple valuation rules where traders only need to pass one step and meet a profit target and consistency rule, they're able to easily go into a performance account where they can start being eligible for uncapped payouts.
AC, give us a little bit more.
Well, I'm very grateful to partner with someone like Noor, who's my dear brother, and all of his amazing students who I just met. And I'm excited to see what the week entails. StockHours and Vanquish Trader is going to be the best partnership ever.
And the biggest.
And the biggest. We're so blessed, and I'm very grateful for everyone, and most importantly, for my brother Noor.
You know what, guys? Let's introduce the students now. Let's point the camera over to the students and introduce each one of them one by one.
My name's Amen. I'm from Miami, born and raised. I'm 18. I've been trading with StockHours for a little over 2 years. And I started trading as soon as I started joining StockHours, so I've been trading for 2 years as well.
So what's your game plan to hit the 50K by the end of the week?
I'm gonna be honest, I would want to be degenerate, say full port, but I'm gonna stay consistent, stick to my sizing, and obviously just wait for my set to present itself and respect my stop losses in my system.
My name's Kevin. I'm from Canada, Windsor, Ontario. I just turned 24 last month. I've been trading with StockHours for just about 2 years now.
And what's your game plan to hit the 50K by the end of the week?
Game plan for 50K for the payout is pretty much just everything every single trader should do. You know, follow their game plan, risk management, just whatever rule they have written down in the rule book. You know, just stick to things that traders should be doing.
So I go by Laffy. It's a nickname given to me from childhood. So most of my friends know me by Laffy. And I'm South African born. Made my way here through some channels, and now I'm trading almost full time, and very blessed for the team that we at StockHours. So I started trading with StockHours 2021. Currently 31 years old, so I've been busy for about 4 years now, permanently in the chat. So yeah, man, it's been a good ride.
What's your game plan to hit 50K by the end of the week?
Just to be very strict on my discipline, respecting the stop losses, reacting to the times where I feel like the trade's not going to go on my way, listen to my intuition on that thoughts, and just make sure I execute to the best of my ability.
My name is Rocco Sassani. I'm from Scranton, Pennsylvania. 22 years old. I joined StockHours in 2022, so it's been about 3 years.
And what's your game plan to hit 50K by the end of the week?
Man, I mean, Noor is an absolute stud at trading, so we're just gonna stick to his plan, whatever he's seeing. We're gonna run it up. Obviously we're all together, so if we see something that he doesn't see, we collaborate on it. But yeah, I mean, we're just gonna do it together as a team.
Alright, so my name's Matt from Jersey. Been trading a little bit now for probably like 2 years, so still learning. Getting the hang of it as I go. I've been trading with North for a while. I'm 27, and I've probably been with StockHours now for like a little over a year and a half, I would say.
Nice. And what's your game plan to hit 50K by the end of the week?
I mean, I definitely got to keep a tight stop loss. I know it's obviously a prop firm account, but got to treat it like it's a real thing. I can't look at it as just like paper money.
So the first part of the challenge is they're going to need to get through that evaluation. But there are some criteria they need to get through. You want to explain that to them?
Students are going to need to meet the profit target, consistency rule, and minimum number of trades or trading days to be able to be eligible for a performance account.
I'm going to show Vanquish how simple that really is. Now the second part of this challenge is we get the live accounts. And that's where we get paid. And we're going to show every step of that every single day, whether we're green or red. It does not matter, because by Friday, I'm going to have all my students get a payout. I'm getting ready. I haven't entered, guys. I'm in. So I filled. Nice. I'll look at what I filled at. I didn't get to see it. Yep. There we go. Ooh. I sold right there. Nice.
Contract stopped moving, so that's the reason why I got out.
Very nice move, guys. Didn't settle, yeah. That's part of what today is. Where's Maki? All right, so look. This is the plan right now.
They're making money.
We gotta take the trades together, because if I go green for the day, for example, I'm green right now, but I was red in the morning, we would all be green technically. You get what I mean? So we gotta figure out position sizing. So if we got the 150 account, we can do 40 to 50K positions on the account, right? Does it allow you to do that? So 40, 50K account unless said otherwise. Like for example, the QQQ, I was a little bit less. I was like 38,000 or so. I might have to be locked up. We can't leave the house unless we make 50,000. All right? All right, we just cooked. We took 2 L's in the morning on Tesla. I was down about $6,200. Caught a QQQ play for about 30, 40% from 260 to 350, whatever that is. Ended up making $8,300 on that, which kind of saved my day on break even. Not saved my day, because 6K is right now for my month is not that crazy. But the team was right, and that was the most important thing. So I had to give them a little prep talk, and then we switched shit around because we stayed patient and waited for that Tesla consolidation, which was nuts because we just cooked with that. Ended up peak selling. Now my boy here is up. Tell them, show them.
I was down like 2K, now I'm up almost like 4K.
All right. He's up something. Nice. You're up
5K.
5K.
I went from down 4K to now I'm up 1.3.
All right. So we're looking okay. He's up about 18. So he was also down a lot. So I told him exactly how much I'm entering with and how much I was willing to risk on that trade, so that if we lost, we took the L together, and if we gained, we made about the same. But obviously, these are still nerds and beginners, so they decided to sell before me. All right, especially you. You f***ed it up. And you. Yeah. He f***ed up big time.
So tell us how today went.
So today was actually pretty solid. Generally, people said don't trade on bank holidays. I'm already 18, and I just passed my account in one day. They need to step up their game, specifically Kevin, because that boy is lacking.
Give us a little recap about how today went.
Yeah, so for myself today, I was right about just under 2K. Tried to play Tesla to the upside. Got a late fill. Sucks, it is what it is. The rest of the team didn't really get to play that, so I was pretty much the only one who took an L on that. And then Tesla ended up setting up for the upside, which I did take advantage of. And then I managed to make about 5K out of that, which brought me back to green on the day, about 3.5K. So overall, it was a pretty solid day for myself. One of the other traders, his name is Eamon. You know, I think he did pass the account, but you know, it only took him like one trade. Pretty sure he over leveraged, so we'll just have to see how that goes for the rest of the week.
So give us a rundown on how today went for you.
I thought it went well, but it turns out I was a little bit red in the morning. Thought I had unlimited buying power. It turns out there's a stop loss where they liquidate you. So I was $60 over it, and they liquidated my position. So I would have been up 18K. Turns out I'm break even for the day. So fortunately, I didn't contribute to the group, but tomorrow we'll definitely get it back. Now we know what not to do.
So I started the day with Tesla play, the main G coming through. Fortunately, it didn't work out for us. Stopped out for about minus 2,200. But then QQQ presented a play, and Tesla came in clutch. Ended the day plus 5,000. So decent day for me. These guys need to step up their game, man. They can't be playing around. It's a team effort. So they're going to be hearing it from me if they play around a little bit more. So we get it locked in now.
I don't really have to do an interview. You guys know me as Nor, Trades, whatever you guys call me. I'm the best at what I do. So if these young kids and old heads, because Lafi's like 34, if they can't pass this and make money and get a payout by Friday, that's their problem. All they literally have to do is sit right by me and copy exactly what I do. Because if you're part of StockHours, you know how we handle every single week at StockHours. So they just sit there and follow everything we need to do. Everybody's getting a payout. So I'm not dealing with anybody's shenanigans this week. If they don't follow the plan, they don't follow the plan. We'll kick them right out. They'll go straight home.
We're at 4:45
contract. Did we take out Hive Day yet? Yes.
No, you didn't.
Yes. 460 a contract. Let's see if we can get a run here.
No, I'm right there though.
Shoot.
I'm up 15K on the live account. I was peaked at 20K profit. Yeah, I don't know what to do right now. Kind of just waiting for Tesla. But
Alright, I'm gonna take it right there, bro. Lock it in. Up 11K on the day. Pass the account.
Nice. Good stuff.
We came from struggling this morning. Now we up.
$20 away.
Oh, just one more trade.
oh my god,
You just made some more money over there?
bro, the balance is at 27K, bro. It was just at 23. I just made 5K.
You got Kevin struggling over here.
400?
Yeah, we're gonna crash Vanquish platform. What's going on? Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Let me tell you when.
400 contracts?
What? How much is that?
50K.
God damn, bro.
We have no choice if we want to pass it today, bro.
Yo!
Bro, I'm not to be. Bro, this is exactly why I tried a fund account once and I never touched this shit. This is too much fucking shit, bro. Holy shit, that shit is dangerous, bro.
Infamous Kevin, give us a breakdown, give us a rundown of how today went. How did you do? How did the rest of the crew do?
Man, honestly, today was kind of crazy. I'm not gonna lie. Definitely didn't expect for this to happen for this week, but you know, shit happens, right? So basically what happened with at least my day, I don't know about the other students, but for myself, I actually blew 4 accounts. So I had to pay 2K just to redo the evaluations. But I ended up waiting the whole day, took advantage of QQQ to the downside. It was a consolidation break. Ended the day at 24K, almost 25K actually.
Yeah, so it was a little bit of a shaky start today. First trade didn't work out in our favor. AMD and Nvidia, yeah, took my account down, man. I'm not gonna lie, it was a rough start.
This is what I made today, just over 11K. Boys locked in today, 8-hour shift, lock in tomorrow as well.
We started off the day. We didn't have like too many great setups in the morning. You know, we really couldn't find anything, but shout out my boy Maki. He came in, he was looking at a nice little QQQ setup. He signaled that, and that got us all like nicely green on that our third try. This is how much I made today.
Today ended up being a banger day. The boys struggled, right? A lot of them were going through some resets, solely because we were trying to size in a little heavier. Generally, this playing the challenge to pass to get a payout as a team in a whole. I ended up making 36,000 today and on a live account after passing my account today. So I generally accumulated about 46K in profit. You can see here, 31, a little over 31,000. I'm gonna request this payout now. Vanquish, honestly, super surprised with the platform. The account's sitting at 182,000. So yeah, I'm looking forward to see what this week got. We get a big payout with the boys, but they need to pick up their game because I can't be split in 5 ways.
Today was cool, learning how to use the platform row or better, because yesterday there was an overdraw that I wasn't familiar with. So after we figured that out, it's pretty easy. We hit 12K profit for the day. So we're up for 12K. The account is live. So now tomorrow, going into the morning, we'll be able to start making moves with that type of profits we made from today.
What's that?
Doesn't matter.
What did it do?
Just hit my alert. Against below 719, I might stop that.
My info is gonna be out.
Order filled.
Today's the first day with the live account. I took one trade in the morning, which was that AMD play we had. I was up 3K.
Wait, so who all passed right now?
Money.
I passed. You passed.
He's passed? You passed, Matt?
Bro, I don't know. We literally
Matt keeps tweaking, bro.
Bro, look at this. I have three accounts here, right?
Yeah.
I passed it. I go here. There's only 2.
On the live account, up 3K, or almost 4K. I'm just chilling. You know, since I'm on the live account past the evaluation, I'm not trying to blow it. You know, I'm trying to preserve it. I don't want to go back to the evaluation part of it, so just chilling.
No, bro. I just have to wait 1 second.
Kevin needs one more trade to get this thing over with.
Oh my.
Honestly, every day is something new. Today, I'm done within the first 15 minutes. I look to my right, ask Kevin, did you catch that? He looks at me like I have 4 heads. He says, no, I skipped it. I'm not understanding if there's a miscommunication with language or we're just not understanding that we're a team. So we're definitely having some players hold us back. And luckily, it looks like everybody's passed their challenge. All right, so now that everybody's on a live account, we can finally have a successful week. Because remember, as a group, we will collectively split the payout on Friday. So from here on out, whatever they make on this live account, they will split it amongst themselves. There's 5 students. So if one student's holding them back on this live account challenge, it's gonna affect us on Friday. So we'll see what happens. Honestly, tomorrow, I think I'm gonna make it very clear right at market open that whatever trade I take, they have to take, because if they choose when to take my trade and when not to take my trade, the one trade that they do take could be the red trade, and the one trade that they don't trade, that'll be the green trade. So it messes that whole thing up. But as far as Laffy and Matt, it looks like they've been following everything. My problem and my issues lie between Eamon, because he decides that sometimes he thinks he can trade. We're gonna just stop that. Rocco decided to skip a trade, and then Kevin, again.
I did pretty good today. Everyone was on pace now. Everyone's passed. Matt's has something else he needs to do. Besides that, everyone here has passed. Today, I made a little over, well, it was a little bit of a roller coaster. The first account that I had from yesterday I was up 36K on. I ended up leaving limits on a position, and I ended up being liquidated in the morning, and I found out. So I said, you know what, let me run it back, reset the account, locked in, passed that account, and then now I'm up 10K on that account. So it's pretty solid day today. Everyone's on pace. I'm up 9.930 on the day.
Challenge is cool. Day 3 was interesting. I don't know why everybody keeps saying that I didn't pass. We passed the account. There was a little issue midday, but we brought it right back right before market close, so we're good. I'm not too sure how everybody else is doing, but today we're up 14.2K. You can see that right there, the profit in the green. Tomorrow we have to reset since the account is live, so it's just straight profit from there. As long as I keep the account good, everything is take home. So got to lock in and yeah, take it from there.
So today was my first day. Yesterday I passed the account. So today was my first day on the live account. So I was able to, you know, I had to lock in with it. You know, I'm not trying to blow this live account and have to start back from square one. So I was taking it easy, you know, sizing down a little bit and only sticking to the best setups.
Man, another tough day at StockHours. After a little bit of confusion with the accounts, we realized that we need to meet a consistency rule as well, so, and not just a profit target. So that made the day a little bit more challenging because we had to reach and achieve both today. So we put in another good shift. Tesla and QQQ and Nvidia came in clutch for the boys. Most of us managed to profit off of that, and yeah, we're on to the lives account now. So let's get it tomorrow.
All right, so after last night, like I said, you know, a lot of us, we traded the evaluation account not the proper way. You know, we did pass the profit goal, but there was a consistency goal that had to be met, and we weren't really aware of that, or we were unclear with the rules for that. So I think it was 4 of us who didn't pass. So now we're on to the live accounts, and we're gonna go from there. Yeah, I'm in profit for the day. I'm up 11, 12K. I think it's 12K.
Yeah.
I don't have it open.
They were looking at MU here off road.
Whoa. Oh. Would have failed. What happened? What do I miss?
Nothing.
No.
I just don't like this area, but that's a consolidation right there.
Here we go. There we go.
Oh shit.
You making you low.
What's up, 424? What you up?
Nah, bro, get out that shit, you know?
Yeah.
It's
420. Added to that.
What you up?
I'm up 5K. I'm looking to hold longer.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh,
Yo, bro. If 424 comes, bro,
Yo, we might just do
No,
this.
just get back in it.
Yo, get back in. Everyone, yo, lock this in.
It's a lot.
Oh.
Let's
make it new. Oh my God.
Yo, Kev, it's extended as hell, bro. Just keep that in mind.
Okay. How much you up?
6K.
6K?
Yeah.
How much you?
7.5.
How much you up?
5K.
How much you up, Laffy?
2,500.
God damn.
Oh, it's
75
over.
plus 7K, right?
Yeah.
14.
14.5 plus how much?
6K.
It's 25. How much you up?
24.
So 40. No.
50K.
No, it's 44. All right. See, I wasn't chased, bro. You guys are up nicely.
Yeah.
Day 4, solid day. Market was kind of like sideways, didn't do much. I think we ended the day, at least I ended the day 7,500. So we all got the active accounts, they're live. Anything we make at this point is just profit, so we're trying to just max it out, take all of Vanquish's money, and yeah, wild out.
How do you feel about everyone else?
Group is solid. I know Eamon's been doing his thing.
He's a little cocky.
OD, but you know what I mean? He's young, he's learning.
Yeah, I'm gonna just keep it straight with you. Everyone thinks you're cocky.
Cocky?
Yeah.
That's so real. That's fine. What's his name? Rocco want to talk about my ICT trading. That's why he's taking it slow and easy, but it's all good. That's why I'm up 30K right now. The boys are locking. Now we up for the week. I'm up 30K on the live account. All the boys are finally live after a long, stressful ass week. They're back and they're live. Yeah, I mean, might be just a lack of experience trading funded accounts, but what can I say? It's been a good week trading with Vanquish. I look forward to continue trading with them and continue taking payouts from them. So, yeah.
Eamon, in particular, says that you're not holding your weight. How do you feel about that?
Yo, bro, it's easy to speak when you live at your mom's house, bro. You know, if you don't have responsibilities, bro, you know, like money is different, you know. So today was a tough day, but we stuck it out. You know, it's the first day on our live account, so I traded like I usually would, the same risk parameters, you know, tight on the stop losses and such. And yeah, just made a little bit over 2,300. So I'm happy with that, man. It's definitely what I was reaching for. Obviously, I would like more, but you know, green is green. Tomorrow's another day, 5th and final day, so we'll kill it.
Just gonna be very blunt with you. The team feels like you're holding them back.
Man, honestly, it's been a tough ride. I mean, we've been passing and then blowing the accounts, passing, blowing. So this whole week it felt like we just been trying to pass the evaluation. Now we all are at a point where we can go on the live accounts, right? And today was that day. And you know, most of us caught a nice play to the downside on Tesla. And you know, I think I made the least. I made about 6K on that. So I mean, it's all right, but I wouldn't say I'm dragging it down.
I'm just gonna keep it very blunt with you.
Yeah.
Out of all the interviews that we've done,
Yeah.
I've heard your name multiple times.
Yeah.
And a lot of people feel like you're holding them back.
Cap. That's so cap. I've been on my live account since Tuesday.
What's your P&L right now?
Right now I'm up 5K on the account.
Everyone who passed today has passed you.
Well, they was taking same day QQQs.
I'm telling you what they said.
Cap.
I'm being serious.
Cap.
What's your strategy going into tomorrow? It's your last day.
Yeah.
You guys can make as much as you want.
Yeah. So I mean, number one, I hope the Wi-Fi's on in the morning, because that has been bugging with us nonstop. My hotspot was not working at all. So literally the first about hour and a half of the day, I literally could not take anything. So, but tomorrow, it being Friday, you know, all the contracts are moving. To end the day, I mean, we had a huge drop at the end of the day today. So if we could get some more continuation on that going into tomorrow, I think we're gonna have some great setups, whether it's on the overall market itself or even some of our individual stocks. So yeah, I mean, we're gonna take full advantage tomorrow. It's the last day. You know, we gotta run this up. We ended the day up collectively, I think about like probably 35K, 40K, somewhere around there. So, you know, we gotta at least minimum cross that 50K mark together, and we're gonna do that.
That's terrible performance, honestly. Every time I look to my left, Eamon's doing something that he shouldn't be doing. And then he'll tell us the account's passed, 30 minutes after, we find out that the accounts need to be reset or he needs to get a new account. So Eamon's really the main problem, I would say, and then he passes that energy off to Kevin because Kevin thinks that he could be doing what Eamon's doing, and it ruins the whole thing. So right now, realistically, people should be at like a little over 100,000.
Each?
No. Collectively. Okay. So they're 40, 50% of where they should be right now. I don't know. Tomorrow's a make or break day. Like, honestly, at this point, if they don't change their ways by tomorrow, it'll be right back to zero tomorrow. So if they don't come in with the right mindset and, get straight down to business and skip like all the crazy trades that they decided to take just because it's a funded account, then they're going to blow that whole thing tomorrow. So
I will try this once and once only.
What
It's
level?
a good day. 439.70. If you're asking us.
Go with me.
Alright.
Alright, come on. Oh my god. Nice. If you'd like to try, you can try it. If you don't, oh my god. Guys, this is gonna be my biggest trade of the day. I'm gonna sell half on a break. Oh my god, I sold half.
Oh my god.
Okay, I'm ready.
Go, bro. Come on, bro.
Come all up. Wow. Oh, it's crazy that it didn't feel everything.
I feel freaking great. I mean, since I started trading, this has been the most I've ever made in a single week. So obviously, to me, huge accomplishment to me that I could go this far and make 12K in less than 6 days, less than 7 days. So to me, it's kind of an unreal feeling and kind of like a feeling of relief that I kind of got through the hard part that built me up as a trader in the past.
See, going back to your trading account, you actually made 12K on your account. So you held up the team the right way, just how you should have. You guys are splitting exactly what you made.
Yeah.
How does that feel?
No, I mean, I did everything the right way. I was doing things the wrong way at first, and then I noticed how that brought me down a rabbit hole, and I just said it's time to stop, just do what I need to do, and as long as traders do what they need to do, this is the exact result of that. So to any other traders out there, I'm living proof of that. So
How do you feel about Vanquish as a whole?
now, Vanquish, honestly, it's a really good platform, especially for options traders. Super quick, clean platform, and honestly, I have no other comments about it. It's just a great platform overall.
It's been a rough week.
It's been a rough week, but we made it. Definitely did something I wasn't supposed to do today, full pour Friday, so I went all in. All the profits from the week, threw it in. Unfortunately, I tried to keep a tight stop loss, but the trade it looked good. I got a little too attached to it. Definitely wanted to cut it before going negative, so at least I didn't hurt the team, but shout out to the guys for bringing it in, and we get to split it, so I guess we all eat.
How do you feel about Vanquish as a whole?
Sick platform. Just like anything, took some getting used to in the beginning, but once you kind of get the hang of it, really, really quick to respond. The app is sick, and their customer service is amazing. So any issues that came up, they were right away able to help out. So shout out to the guys for that.
It's been a week, man. We had a good time, bro. It was a fantastic week. For the week, I cleared just over 2,000. I think 2,375 or so.
But you're leaving with 12K. How does that feel?
Type shit. Yes, sir. I mean, like Matt said, we all eat. It was a team effort, and thankfully, Eamon came through. Big props for the guy. He really knuckled down, and he did some degens shit, but it worked out. So, really happy for the guy.
How do you feel about Vanquish as a whole?
Vanquish, man, they on point. Definitely a great platform, easy to get used to. The mobile app is fantastic as well, and the guys were
right there if we needed them. We can just phone them up, and they really settled any disputes that we had very quickly. So it's a great platform. You should give it a try.
Feeling great.
How's the week been overall?
I mean, the market wasn't great for us. We didn't have like crazy clean setups, but you know, very few and far in between ones that did come, we took full advantage of. So, yeah.
How much were you personally up?
I finished up 3,100 on the account. I was up 15K today. I was having my biggest day, but I herbed out, gave back most of that profit. So we're just finishing up 3K.
But you're leaving with 12.
Yeah.
How does that feel?
Feels great, man. I'm blessed. Shout out Eamon for running it up. You know, he was just going crazy on QQQ, which way. So shout out the kid.
How do you feel about Vanquish as a whole?
I like the platform. Like I was saying in one of my earlier interviews, you know, with trading, we're all doing the same thing. We're playing the exact same levels. We're clicking buy and sell at the same exact times. The only difference is that how much we're able to go in with. So Vanquish being able to allow us, you know, if we've perfected our system to be able to have more capital to make even more, it's an absolute blessing, you know, and this thing is like, it's so clutch and it's gonna help so many traders.
How you feeling?
Feel great. It was a great week, roller coaster of a week, but you know, I love adrenaline. This week was nice.
How much are you personally up right now?
Personally up right now, I closed at 44,000 for the account, and then on the day I'm up 20,000. So it was a pretty heavy day. Let me show you guys my P&L. So on the account, 144,000. It's a 100K account. Passed it, 44,000. Up 20K on the day. About to request a payout. It's been crazy balance between all the boys. I did do a little bit of carrying, but it's all good. We work as a team. We take money as a team, and we run with it. So let's run it.
How do you feel about Vanquish as a platform?
Vanquish is pretty solid. I actually do enjoy that they have instant updates on the dashboard. Some prop firms do not have instant updates on the dashboard, and they have a mobile app which is super clean and easy to use. Generally, super great for any options trader who needs capital to even, you know, trade with or wants to use borrowed capital. Great resource, and I'm looking to take advantage of it.
The week is done.
How do you feel?
Good. I think they could have done a lot better if they stuck as a team. It was just, I feel like the lack of pre-planning beforehand and saying what they're going to take together and what they're not going to take together should have been a lot better. And it'd be more equivalent rather than seeing Eamon at 40K, for example, and Matt at break even for the day.
For the week?
Oh, well, for the week, yeah. I forgot.
So each student is leaving with 12K. How do you feel about that?
I mean, it was worth, obviously, for a lot of people because of Eamon, but if they did it correctly, that could have been like an easy like 30K split between all the students all around.
How do you feel about Vanquish as a whole?
I mean, Vanquish, obviously you guys are seeing from the video live, they're providing funding for people who don't have funding in their account so that they can actually catch the trades that they want to catch. And we got to remember, a cash account, you can do great on it, grow a small account to a big account, but how many trades can you take in a day with a cash account if you use your whole balance? So that's where Vanquish comes in for good traders, not bad traders, good traders. That's where Vanquish comes in and helps the most. If you're a trader and the struggle is funding and not executing, this is the platform for you. They provide they provide funding that you don't have, and they provide resets. So every time you basically, you know, crash your account, you can always reset and get a new account. You can't do that with a funding account if you don't have money in your bank account. So I think that's where Vanquish comes in and crushes it for traders. And that's the best part of Vanquish. It caters to every trader's needs. This is what separates Vanquish from other prop firms. It's a one-step evaluation, no hidden fees like activation fees. Traders keep 100% of profits on all simulated accounts, 80-20 splits in traders' favor on all live accounts, unlimited number of resets, no payout cap, no daily loss limit, and no time limit. The best prop firm for traders, built by traders, for traders to succeed. Use code NOR for 50% off all trading plans.